How to transfer money from USA to Austria. Now, first of all, we will use Wise. So if you use the link below, you will benefit from zero fees for transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, open your Wise account and go to Home and now tap on Send Money. Now, after that, select your destination currency. In this case, it will be USD, and select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be Euro because Austria is on Europe, as you can see. Now, after that, here you can type how much you want to transfer, for example, $1,000, and this is how much your recipient will receive. Now, after that, tap on Pay With, and you can select the bank, the wire transfer, international wire, debit card, or credit card. Now, select your payment method, for example, bank account, and now tap on Add Recipient. Now, as you can see here, tap on Bank Details, and now tap on Someone Else. Now, as you can see, if the recipient inside Europe, you will need their full name, IBAN, country, city, recipient address, and postcode. And if that recipient outside Europe, you will need their full name, SWIFT code, IBAN codes, and country, city, recipient address, and postcodes. And after that, click on Continue. Now, if you use the link below, you will benefit from zero fees for transfer up to £500. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Austria. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.